reopen last studio unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. Samahan niyo ako, check natin. So this is 41.5 square meter studio unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. Semi-furnished with upgraded deliverables. Included na dyan yung ref, cooktop, range hood, and aircon. And also kasama na dyan yung complete sanitary fixtures sa toilet and bath. This unit is worth 18.6 million pesos. You need at least 10% down payment para maka-move in. Yung 25% equity is payable sa developer over 6 years. Yung remaining 65% is naka-pre-approve na sa any Philippine bank. Payable ito on 25th month. Discounts and other payment terms are negotiable and subject for approval. Si Uptown Arts ay meron lamang low density unit per floor. And we only allow long-term rent dahil nga sobrang exclusive ng property. In terms of location naman, Uptown Arts is just beside 4 different malls across the area. Kaya kung luxurious lifestyle and investment ang hanap mo, this project is perfect for you. We can schedule a Zoom meeting or site viewing. This remaining unit is first come first serve. Kaya kung interested ka, message mo lang ako directly. See you on the next one. Salamat!